If you're facing brightness issues with your iPad 11a16, like if the brightness of the screen of your iPad keeps dimming down, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to settings, and under settings just tap on battery. And over here, if you scroll down, you will find the option for low power mode. As you can see, as I enable this option, the brightness of the screen will be lowered down. Now to fix the brightness issue, just disable this toggle. After you do that, then in the main settings page, just tap on accessibility, and over here just tap on display and text size. Over here just scroll down, and at the bottom of the page you will find the option for auto brightness. Now if this feature is enabled, just turn it off. Also over here you will find the option for reduce white point. Also if this feature is turned on, just turn it off. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just grab your iPad, then press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button of your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the force restart is completed, and if your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to the home screen and open settings. Under settings, just tap on general, and under the general settings, just tap on software update. Now over here, just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just tap on update now and update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. After that, just go back to the general settings, and under general, just scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPad. Then tap on reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select reset all settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.